straight line. This car has a 12. Hybrid racing, fuel rail, hybrid racing, engine mounts, hybrid racing, fuel regulator, hybrid racing, coolant hoses, hybrid racing, shifter mount, hybrid racing, shifter. The next category is the best case swap, and that goes to third one with the red Civic. Okay guys, I think we have broke something on the case swap.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Yo guys, so I just arrived to my friend Garth. What we plan on doing today is working on the red EK. The plan is to maybe just clean up the throttle body because I am having a slight issue with the throttle body staying open. This is a K-tune throttle body, so to my understanding it is a common issue with those throttle bodies. So in the meanwhile, we're going to have it cleaned, but in future we might just file the butterfly or whatever so that it doesn't stick, because when I'm driving it's either idling high, or if I want to put down my foot and it stucks before it actually goes further. So yeah, that is the plan today. So here's a better look at the throttle body inside. You can see there, it's kind of stuck open. So if I maybe push it like that, that's how it's supposed to be. So you guys can see it's like a little layer over there that gets dirty around here and it basically sticks. So the plan in future would be obviously to file the butterfly a little bit smaller, but for now we're just going to clean this little layer over here and hopefully that works. First fix on the case swap, red Civic. As you can see here, put the butterfly, it flips back immediately. However, I do still want to file it and just maybe correct that. Anyway, this is pretty much fixed, and then we're just gonna have the car washed now. Can you say that again? Yeah? If you buy another car and then
driving the type on the track.
Okay, you're gonna take me on.
No.
Okay guys, so we're just cleaning up the filter now. We're gonna put it back and then everything should be good. Guys, and also just off topic, as you can see we have a Seeker wing and a version 1 type R lip for Garth's car. I'll show you guys his car in a second, but as you guys know, his team obviously supplied in this. He has a very special FN2. Maybe a lot of you guys won't feel like it's special, but I think it's very special. I've heard of them before, but I've actually never seen one in person. I'll show you guys later. And then also guys, I already got my first battle scar from the red Civic. So I just burned myself a little bit there on the radiator. Guys, as you can see, the car is extremely dirty. Give you guys a quick walk around of how dirty it actually is. So yeah, we're gonna get it cleaned up. So today is actually KMS. Obviously, unfortunately, I couldn't really make it yesterday. I actually collected the car, etc. And I just wanted to spend time in the car and actually do the nitty-gritty things. I might head through later, maybe even take this car, or I'll come through with it.
So when I take my flight, my wings don't catch a light. I pray it be alright. Mom, it'll be alright. We all gon' last the fight and then blast up height. I'ma open the blind so wide that the light gon' blind my eyes. But my mind's so bright, but my mind opened up so wide. I wised up, young, so I know what's wrong from right. I pray that these trials and tribulations take a vacation along the way to break away at age 800 billion years and to stay away, cause we ain't got the time or patience to make any days that we can look back and say that was quite hard. But I'm always thankful and I thank God cause it's so
so we're done actually doing the car wash on the EK. The car is very dirty, so I picked up a lot of imperfections and I'll go through that with you guys soon. But let me just show you guys gas FN2. So actually what makes this car special is that this is actually a championship red FN2. So a lot of you guys might not know the difference, but I think it's, you know, like the interior lights at the bottom by the feet, and I think parking assist is also another thing. So here you can see in the back of the bumper there's the parking assist. So I actually supplied him with these headlights as well, and this bumper as well, the fender liners. But yeah, overall very nice car.
A new plan to get ourselves to the other side. That's why I'm trying to get right. So when I take my flight, my wings don't catch a light. I pray it be alright, mom, it'll be alright. We all gon' last the fight and then blast up high. I'ma open the blinds so white that the light gon' blind my eyes. But my mind so bright, got my mind opened up so wide. I wised up young, so I know what's wrong from right.
Yo guys, so just a quick one. I'm actually meeting up now with AJ Racing to discuss if he can maybe assist me with the red K-swap Civic. So we're just going to discuss overall like what the plans or what I would want for the car and if he can assist me. And I'll just give you guys an update with regards to what he has to say. I'm obviously getting a quote etc from him as well, and you know, some advice with regards to the whole car.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so just had a quick chat with AJ Racing. It was a successful little meeting we had. We both came to an agreement as to what we need to do first, etc. He did say that I kind of need to get a muffler because the car is going to be extremely loud, but he said he might be able to assist me now without the muffler. The plan is to change throttle body. We're going to go with a stock throttle body because, as you guys know, the K-tune throttle body are just generally an issue. You do have the option of sending it back, and they're just going to give you another one, but that problem might still occur. So I think for, you know, a soft feel on the pedal and just an overall, like I said, I want the car to be streetable, just for the car to be, you know, a street car. I'm gonna go ahead with that. You also suggested I won't lose like much power or anything like that. The car also might need to be tuned, and then another thing that we need to do is going to be, we're going to fit a fan on the radiator, and then he's obviously going to wire it up to the on data and, you know, set it where it needs to be set, when it needs to go on, when it needs to go off. And then there's a few other things that he's also just going to look at for me. Then in future we might just do that. So yeah, that is a little update. So I'm gonna actually go fetch the car now and then drop it off by him.
here I come. Oh, here I come.
Okay guys, so we lost Dane. But yeah, he's coming now. So Dane is actually behind me. And he's obviously gonna fetch me now by AJ. because it obviously wasn't tuned in Cape Town. But the car is actually driving very perfect. Okay guys, I think I might have to just switch you guys off because I do need the directions. Yo guys, so it is a new year and I just want to say happy new year to each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed year. And then as you guys have seen in the video that you guys just watched, this is the first video of 2025. However, this video has been filmed in 2023. However, I just thought I'd catch you guys up with everything that has actually been done to the Civic, and I plan on doing that in future with all the up and coming videos. So please stay tuned for the next video where the throttle body will actually be fixed and we'll do some testing with the throttle body. So you guys already know what that means. A whole lot of K-series rips. So stay tuned and please do like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Peace.